No, I did, yeah. I was not stupid. I did have a story to pitch, and actually, I don't want to go into the details, but all I can say is, because I don't want to distract the interview and the conversation. I came to Bombay for 6 days uh, in July 2004 after this phone call. And in those 6 days, besides Shah Rukh, I met 4 other A-listers. Shah Rukh gave me his, manager's email and phone number. I think Sushma was managing for him then. So I was again trying to go the right route, and I was calling and emailing Sushma, and I was not getting any response. And I was like, "Arey yaar, ये तो बात हो गई." I was calling Subhai ज़्यादा, you know. So then I figured, यार कोई फायदा नहीं है. I'll just reach there and hope something will happen. And I came to Bombay. I don't have any family here or anything. So, but a lot of my I would say 2-3 years junior in my college or whatever, they were already in Bombay. Someone was working in TV, someone was trying, working in films, assistant director, whatever, like all the gang that comes, So I had some acquaintances, I was literally crashing here and there and just trying to figure these meetings out. And so I was trying to get hold of Shah Rukh somehow. I was messaging him, no reply. I was calling him. I remember he had a voice move. There was a very new thing of voicemail then. I didn't leave the message. I was like, and then nothing was happening for 2-3 days. I was there for 6 days. And finally, one day I sent a very long message saying that, I made all the plans and, I came only to narrate this and, at least let me know one way or the other, whatever. So I was a little, this thing, kya hai? Ye ho nahi raha, 3 years later, I got a reply back. He said, is 6:30 okay to meet up? I'm busy in a shoot. I should be back by then. Here's my address, Mannat Bandstand. So, I was like, yeah, sure, we'll be there, I was like, meeting ho jayegi. So, I reached Mannat Bandstand. And that's when actually for the first time I saw this sight of, fans waiting outside and literally posing in front of the signage of Mannat, and generally you can just see them there, right? Just happy to just wait, And that is something I had not experienced in Delhi, of course. I heard about this, about Bachchan Sahab's house and, Amitabh Bachchan Sanjay को आके wave करते हैं, ऐसी बातें पता थी, कभी सुना नहीं, ध्यान दिया, And I think it struck something there. Like, this is very interesting. Obviously, if a person lives in a house, at some point he's gonna come out, and at some point he's gonna go in, and that is what they are waiting for. It's not that he's gonna come and greet everyone. And I'm like, wow, yeah. And also, it's a very strange thing to say. I don't know if I'm gonna articulate it properly, but there is this notion when you're not in Bombay, कि अरे यार जब स्टार आते हैं ना, जब बॉम्बे से बात तब ना ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट होती है. बॉम्बे में तो पीपल आर यूज्ड टू इट, दैट्स व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू इमेजिन और थिंक. एंड आई वाज लाइक, यार तो यहाँ पे ऐसे हो रहा है, वाओ. एंड सो दैट वेट वाज, बाय डिफॉल्ट देयर वाज दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ, ओह माय गॉड यार, दिस इज रियली लाइक समथिंग. So anyway, I was waiting at 6:30 sharp. I go to the guard and I was like, hey, I'm Anish, and he was like, साहब घर पे नहीं. हमने यार, मैंने कहा आप उनसे पूछिए तो सही, उन्होंने बताया वो होगा. And again, I have to say, Shah Rukh is always surrounded with very courteous people. He intercomed and he checked, नहीं हमें तो कोई ऐसा नहीं है. And साहब सच में घर पे नहीं है. तो I was like, यार ये क्या हो रहा है, So when I left, when I messaged Shah Rukh, I was like, I did go there and there was, apparently you're not home. And 10 minutes later he messaged me saying that, yeah, they are right, I'm not home, I'm actually running late, I'm on my way now. The moment I get in, I'll message you and then you come in. And okay. So I'm waiting, and literally in 10-15 minutes, I saw that rush of his car came, and now I know what those people were waiting for. Everyone just rushed towards the car. The gates opened, he went in, the gates closed, and they were happy कि आज देख लिया उसको. And that was, of course, a very, very big moment, I would say. The Mannat's gate opened. I'm walking up the ramp in my head I'm walking in 48 FPS. I'm thinking, yeah, I want to do Shah Rukh Khan, you know. And I'm thinking, क्या हो क्या रहा है ये, you know. And I went and sure enough, finally I met Subhash Dada, the guy who was the voice on the phone for me. He was again very courteous, very nice. He was asking chai, coffee. I was like, नहीं बेटी. He said, साहब 10 मिनट में आएंगे. And that wait was a long wait. You know, I'm sitting in this room alone in Mannat, looking at the the great sea view. And there were a lot of DVDs and VHS back then. There was a Pepsi machine, I remember. There was jukebox, all of that. I mean, I have very distinct memory, and I'm thinking, यार अभी क्या होने वाला है? You know, अभी like शाहरुख खान आएगा, मैं करूँगा क्या? So I'm just waiting, and then actually, I mean, what to do? I just bounce off my idea, and we'll see. And I'm thinking, and look at my left, and then come literally like a film shot. You know, this guy just walking up the stairs, coming, cigarette in his mouth, just coming. I was like, oh crap, ऐसा होता है. Like, so I got up, and he was very, I mean, of course, very nice, but very professional, and in a strange way, I felt very respected in the sense that he's like, यार कोई student आया, हम भाई बताओ क्या है, ना excitement भी हो जाता है कभी. Let me hear him. यार मुझे phone कर रहा था ऐसे, क्या scene क्या ऐसा नहीं था. With all professionalism and respect, we had a chat. Okay, what's the, what are you thinking? Where are you from? And obviously, in the course of the conversation, because of the Delhi connection or college connection, I went to the same theatre group also. So Barry was a common topic to have. So we ended up chatting a lot eventually, whatever. And it was not actually a very fan star moment. I put on, sir, I really liked him. There was just no room to have that conversation. And strangely, you didn't want to have that conversation, You wanted to talk about, okay, now even I plan to come here and make films, and frankly with you. So what can be done? And we talked about this idea, and whatever that idea was. And so the meeting went well, and I remember little Aryan came running in, and he was giving him as much attention while talking to me. He was not being rude to me, but great father just come back from work and all of that. So, yeah, you were cool there. So sure enough, all of that. I mean, it was a good, pleasant conversation, for the lack of a better word. And then I left. And he saw me off to the door. It was, as I said, it was very nice and very, very respectful. And I think that was the time. Even I asked my fan ka idea कहाँ से क्यों है मेरे अंदर, So I think somewhere that day, the seed of the idea, the germination happened that day. Like, okay, there is a sense of distance when you become a star, and it could be a film star, it could be a cricketer, it could be anyone you idolize, but you tend to have a sense of distance, And once that distance is bridged, it does have a certain kind of a turnaround. I'm not saying it's negative necessarily, but there is a journey there. There's an emotional journey there, and then I was obviously thinking about still people were waiting outside. Now that he's gone in, पता नहीं कब आएगा, but I was like, okay, this emotion needs to be talked about. I mean, it excited me to do that, and I think that's where somehow fan kind of took its shape, and so it's a strange connection कि मैं Delhi से इसको मतलब somewhere it's true, but it's actually a lot more than that. I mean, coming back to the question now, I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया.